What's going on everyone, Nathan here from myimtips.com, and in today's video I'm gonna share with you not one, not two, but 8 of the best side hustle ideas that pay well, that you can get started to make money online with as soon as today if you want to. To find out all the details, all you have to do is stay with me, but first make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video about internet marketing related tips, make money online and a lot more. Alright guys, so as I said, I'm gonna share with you 8 side hustle ideas, 8 of the best side hustle ideas, and it is because I do get this question a lot of times. Now there is a lot of people, they want to get started with an online business and it can be time consuming, and of course it can also cost you a bit. And if you want to get started to make some money online, a good idea is to have a side hustle while you build your online business there. So that's why I wanted to share with you 8 of the best side hustle ideas here that you can get started with as soon as today here. Make sure you stick around and watch the whole video so you don't miss out on any important information I'm gonna share with you regarding these 8 side hustle ideas. Without further ado, let's go. Okay, so one of the most popular ones could be actually to be any kind of a social media manager. And you can see here I am at Fiverr.com. This is one of the most popular freelance platform here. And you can see it starts here for 70 euros. This is approximately around 80 US dollars. And we have here, for example, 170 US dollars, 110. So there is really a good amount of money that you can make here as a social media manager. If I open up Fiverr's choice here, for example, you can see here that this is not so hard to get started with, okay? Basically, there is a lot of people who don't have the time here. They want to focus on other activities on their business, so that's why they want to outsource this. And that is where you can come in and make money with this side hustle. It doesn't have to be Facebook only. You can see here it can be Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, and so on there. It depends a little bit on your knowledge, but I mean, this is super easy. Something you probably do already every single day, logging into Facebook or Instagram. So why not take care of that and make some extra money online there as well? So have a look around here and what is available. Try to stand out, create your profile and get started with it. Now there is more freelance sites. We're going to cover this later on in this video here. So that is why it is so important to watch the whole video here. Another option could be to go to a site like appen.com. They usually have something called social media evaluator, and you can get paid anywhere from $10 up to $15 per hour by doing that. It is super easy. They are going to tell you exactly and give you instructions on what to do. You're going to log into Facebook, for example, and see if you see some particular ads on something similar like that. So this could be a great site actually to do more side hustles like micro tasks, for example, some surveys and data collection, and there is a lot of other jobs here as well. Go to appen.com and check it out. It's definitely worth it. It is a worldwide company that has a good reputation there. Let's move on to something else, and that is ebay.com. Now eBay, you can get started with a garage sale because you might have something at your home that you want to get rid of. Why not get started here, create your profile and start to sell? But don't limit yourself that you have to have something used at home, because you can actually find here something that is cheap and sell it for a much higher price. I've seen this many times. It could be a pair of headphones, for example, or whatever. You can buy it for $1 and sell it for $5. I'm just saying this as an example, but use your imagination. You have to do your research well here, of course. It is a good idea to have something that interests you, okay? Keep that in mind also if you are interested, for example, in headphones or something like that. It could be easier to sell it here. But this is a great alternative to get started with as a side hustle on ebay.com. Alright, next opportunity could be to actually get paid to test websites and apps. That's right. One quick example could be userlytics.com, and what you have to do is go to the tester sign up here. You can see here they do have a good reputation, a lot of good big companies here. And how it works is that you get paid for tests. A new website, for example, they want to see if it is easy to find something on that website or the app here. And how they do that is usually they're going to give you their own application, they're going to record your activity there, and they're going to give you instructions on what to do. For example, they're going to say, can you find a red dress, and so on there. That is how it works. And you can see here you can get paid for the test here anywhere from 5, 10, 15, 20, but actually up to $90 here as well for one test. And this takes you probably around 40 minutes for the $90 there. So definitely a great way to get started with. Don't limit yourself only to Userlytics. There is a lot of other sites as well. Here is one quick example, testingtime.com. You can see here you can get paid for 50 euros per hour here for testing new products and services. And 50 euros is approximately around $60 US. All right, here is something else, and that is to become a transcriber or captioner, captioning audio and video. Rev.com is a great example of this. And basically you can see here, if I scroll down to the bottom and go to the freelancers section. So look at this, for example, we have actually as a transcriptionist, we can get paid up to $1.10 per audio video minute. And this is the exact same thing here as a captioner as well. And if you happen to know a foreign language, you can get paid up to $3 per audio video minute. Here's something else that is very easy side hustle that can pay you very well also, and that is to become a virtual assistant. There is a lot of different sites here actually as well. So I mean, don't limit yourself to Fiverr. I'm just picking it up as an example, but you can go to sites like Upwork.com. There is also Freelancer. Let me just open it up here for you so you can see it. This is also another freelance site. So there is a lot of freelance sites, so don't limit yourself to just go to one of these sites, but actually apply and create profile on a few of these. You can't just wait for one site to give you job all the time there. But this is a great side hustle actually to get started with that, as I said earlier, doesn't require too much knowledge here. All right, another side hustle that pay you well is to become a tutor. Chegg.com is one quick example. You can just go to the section where it says become a tutor, and you can read through all the details here. I'm not going to read through everything here. We want to save ourselves some time. Here is something else also, teaching English on VIPKidTeachers.com or VIP Kid. So if I go to become a teacher, you can get started with filling in your details, and you can earn anywhere from $15 up to $22 per hour for teaching. Usually it is on Skype or a Zoom platform, so you can do this without go to these sites. You can apply it also actually on Fiverr. It depends a bit, of course, on your knowledge here. I mean, you could be good in English, you could be good in maths, so why don't take advantage of it, of course, and make money with it. All right, finally, I wanted to share this opportunity to you. It is a bit online and a bit offline, and that is TaskRabbit. So what is TaskRabbit? Well, you can see here that there is popular projects available in your area. People want to have help with assemble a table or a desk, for example, mount a TV or a mirror, move boxes. And if you happen to be good at this, well, then it is a great opportunity to have this as a side hustle, because you can have a look at what is available at your area. And of course, if you are capable of doing that, you can see here that you can make some pretty good amount of money. I mean, mount a TV or a mirror, and you can see the average project is anywhere from $60 to $118. So this is really, really super cool. Just go to TaskRabbit.com and check out the details. Okay, you can go to the section here where it says become a tasker, and of course have a look at the details here for yourself. Alright, so there you have it, 8 plus of the best side hustle ideas that pay well, that you can get started to make money online with as soon as today if you want to. Now, as I said earlier here, if you are interested in actually making a full-time passive income online, build a real long-term sustainable online business, I do have my #1 recommendation right here below that I highly suggest you to have a closer look at. If you got some value here, make sure to smash that like button below. Don't forget, subscribe to both my YouTube channels that you're going to see at the end screen here. Hit that notification bell also so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. And you're going to find another video recommendation at the end screen here as well. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.